Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can solve problems involving simultaneous equation or systems of equation using the TI-84 plus scientific calculator in seconds per multiple choice questions. And after going through this video, I guarantee you that you'll be able to solve problems involving systems of equations or simultaneous equations using the TI-84 plus scientific calculator easy and fast. So ensure you stay to the very end of this video. As usual, you guys are going to learn a lot. Okay, having known that, let's get started. If you check carefully, we see that we have three questions to practice with. So we have simultaneous equation involving two variables, three variables, and four variables. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys in this video how you can easily solve this. So let's get a calculator now and get started. Alright, so this is the TI-84 plus scientific calculator. Now to begin with, we want to solve this question 1, which involves two variables. Alright, so all we have to do now is to firstly to bring out the system of equation function on the calculator. We have to press this button within apps. Okay, so once you press it, you will see these options. Now you are going to go for option 4, which stands for polynomial simultaneous. Alright, so this is where you're going to see simultaneous function. So you press 4. Okay, so once you do it, you're going to see this display on your calculator. Alright, so just press any button, but I'm choosing to press this clear button. Okay, so right now you see options. You see polynomial root finder. This is for quadratic equation. You see simultaneous equation solver. This is the one we're going to make use of. Alright, so we are going to press option 2. Alright, so once you press it, it will bring you to this very page. Now this is very, very important, guys. Yeah, pay attention here. Now we want to solve systems of equation involving two variables. Alright, so this arrangement we have so far by default is correct. Alright, so equations 2, alright, unknowns 2. We want to find two unknowns in this example 1, that's x and y. Alright, so and we have only two equations, that's why this arrangement or this setting is correct for this example 1. Alright, so we are good to go. Let's press next now to solve. So every other setting here is correct. Let's leave it at normal. Alright, we solve it in degree, not in radian. You have to leave it in degree. Solve it in degree. So press this graph button for next. Alright, showing next. Okay, so let's impute the values. Now the coefficient of 2x here is what? 2. 2 is a coefficient of x. Alright, for those of you that don't know what coefficient means a number behind a variable or an unknown. So here 2 is the number behind this variable or unknown x. So our first value in this equation will be 2. Alright, 2 is the coefficient of x here. Alright, so we're going to impute 2. So press 2, press equal to or enter. Then the next coefficient is 3. 3 is the coefficient of y here. The unknown is what? Y. So you press 3, press enter. Then the last value is 13. Okay, so press 13. We are good to go. Press enter. Then we go to the second equation. The value, the coefficient of 3x is what? 3. Okay, very, very simple, guys. Then the next one is 4y. Coefficient there is what? 4. Press 4. And the last value there is what? 17. Press 17. We are good to go, guys. Press enter. So right now let's press this graph button for solve. Alright, so we press this graph button to solve it. You see, so our x1 is -1 and our s2 is what, 5. So it's as easy as this, guys. So that's it for this example 1. Right now let's solve example 2 involving 3 variables or 3 unknowns. Okay, so let's go to mode. Alright, change the mode of this setting. We press this window button under mode. Okay, so right now we're going to change the mode. We have 3 equations now, so we are going to adjust it. Go here, equation is 3, press enter, then come down, the equation is also 3, press enter. Alright, so let's press next. It's still the is under normal and degree. Press next, press this graph button. Okay, so we have 3 unknowns now. Let's impute the values for the coefficients respectively. So question 2, the coefficient of 2x here is what, 2. So the first equation, press 2, press enter. Then coefficient of y there here is what, 1. Alright, it's 1, guys. Okay, then coefficient of z here is also 1. Right, 1. Then we have, sorry, yeah, so the next one is, let's adjust something, guys. So we have 8 here, not 1. Just correct it. Okay, so we are good to go. Then we have the next equation, coefficient of 5x is what, 5. Okay, then we have coefficient of -3y is what, -3. Guys, take note of sign, -3. Very, very important. You see, we're having invalid input. We're not meant to make use of the negative sign for this. That's why it's showing invalid input. So let's quit this and we impute it. This time I want to make use of this one, -3. So let's delete this first. Let's delete this. Okay, delete this and also delete this. So you do this -3. Okay, very important, guys. Press enter. You see, so the next one is 2z. Coefficient is what, 2. So impute 2. Then we have the constant is what, 3. We are good to go, guys. Alright, so the last equation we have 7s. Coefficient is what, 7. Alright, the next one we have plus y. Coefficient is what, 1. Okay, the next one we have 3z. Coefficient is what, 3. Okay, then the constant is what, 20. Alright, so we are good to go. Let's press solve now to get the value respectively. Press this graph button for it. So you see, x is 2, our y is 3, and our z is what, 1. So it's as simple as that, guys. Despite the fact that they are using x1, x2 and x3, alright, just position them where x, y and z. Alright, so these are the values of the respective unknowns. The x is 2, the y, which is being used as x2 here, is 3, and the z, which is being used as x3 here, is what, 1. It's as simple as that, guys. So lastly, let's solve this example 3, and after it we call it a class. Now, guys, if you are new to this channel, ensure you hit the subscribe button now to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Also, like, share and comment on this video to tell me how you feel what learning from this video. I really appreciate this, guys, and it also helps the YouTube algorithm to recommend this video to more people out there to get to watch it as well. Alright, so having done that, let's solve question 3 involving 4 unknowns. So right now let's press mode and change the settings of the calculator. We want to solve the ones involving 4 equations now and 4 unknowns. So all you have to do now is to press this mode button window. Okay, then go to this place, 4 unknowns, press enter. Alright, you come down, 4 unknowns. Okay, press enter. Alright, so you are good to go. Normal, under degree is correct. So press graph for next. Okay, so let's impute the values, the values for the coefficients. Right, so we have 2x, coefficient is what, 2. So we press 2. Enter. Alright, so the next one is we have 2y, coefficient is what, 2. Enter. Then we have minus z, coefficient is what, -1. Write this negative sign for it. Okay, enter. The next one is t, which is 1. Enter. And we have constant is what, 4. Alright, so the next equation, we have coefficient of 4x is what, 4. Okay, then we have 3y, coefficient is what, 3. Enter. Then we have minus z is still -1. Okay, so we have 2t, coefficient is what, 2, and the constant is what, 6. Alright, so the third equation, we have 8x, which is what, coefficient is 8. Alright, we have 5y, which is what, 5. Coefficient is 5. Alright, so we have minus 3z, coefficient is what, -3. Okay, we have what next, 40, coefficient is what, 4. And the constant is what, 12. Finally, the last equation, we have 3x, 3y, their respective coefficients are 3 and 3. Okay, so we have -2z, coefficient is what, -2. We have 2t, coefficient is what, 2. And we have constant to the 6. So that's it, guys. We are good to go. Let's now press the solve button to solve this equation for us. Press this graph button for it. Alright, so as you can see, the x value is 1, the y value which is being used as x2 here is 1 as well, the z value which is being used as x3 is -1, and the t value which is being used as x4 is also -1. Alright, so these are the 4 unknowns for these equations. So guys, this is basically how you can solve problems involving systems of equations or simultaneous equations using this TI-84 plus scientific calculator in seconds for multiple choice questions. Alright, now if I were the one solving this question alone, I would have done this very fast. I would have been faster rather, but because I'm trying to explain for you guys, that's why I'm a bit slow with my solutions and explanations, that you guys understand this better. Alright, so hope you found this video useful and interesting. Once more, if you are new to this channel, sure you hit the subscribe button now to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Also like, share, and comment on this video to how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I have taught or explained in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below. I'll be sure to give you a response. Now click on the end screen above and I see you in my next video. Alright, so to remove your calculator from this systems or equation mode, all you have to do is to press this main menu. Alright, then press this to quit app. So it's as simple as that. So it has gone out. So thanks for watching, or you can reset the calculator and you'll be good to go at the same time.